Perfect. So in our session, we will be looking at about 100 questions and how to answer. Okay, we will not look at what, but how to answer. Try to understand the difference between what and how here. In this situation, we don't look at what to answer, but how to answer. And I will give you different circumstances, taking examples from your answer and to make your answer a bit better. Okay, I will extend your answer and make them better so that you don't have to copy someone else's answers or memorize any answer. Is that clear to everyone? Or
Yes,
no?
sir.
So
Yes.
and we are going to be looking at 100 questions and how to answer them, and we will also have three one-to-one one-to-one mock exams. We will have three one-to-one mock exams with me. Okay, we will try to have some Sundays booked for it, and we will have one-to-one exam sessions. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, fine. So we will have one-to-one mock exams, and we will also be looking at some tips, techniques, approaches, and methods to understand the questions and map your answer into your mind. We will understand, or we will look at some tips, some techniques,
Excuse me.
approaches, and methods to draft or map your answer into your mind. Okay, whenever the questioner asks you a question, we will learn how to mind map them. Okay, and what to think or how to take or how to understand the question and how to approach the question, what methods you can use to answer the question are some important things that we will learn throughout this course program. And most importantly, we don't have, we actually had 20 hours program before, but now some candidates requested me that 20 hours is not enough for them. So they need to continue their course programs a little longer. And we will be having unlimited time. So as long as there is discussion or class in IELTS speaking, those people can participate. So they won't be charged extra afterwards. They are charged only once, and that's all, and they can participate in our classes as long as they get through their IELTS.
Thanks a lot, sir. Thanks a lot. Most appreciated.
Thank you very much, Faznavis. So that's open for everyone. So once they pay, that is paid for forever.